Yo guys, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you a really cool card trick with a tutorial where the spectator finds the 4 aces themselves. So for this trick I first want to shuffle the cards, just like this, like I would do normal, and once the cards are shuffled I want to hand the deck to the spectator so they can cut off like half of the deck and put it face up, just like this. And now they can spread through the cards, or the magician can do that. Yeah, so they can spread, and the first face down card they find can be placed on the table, just like this. And now we can do some cuts, just like this. And now the cards are again bit shuffled, and the spectator can again cut half of the deck and put it face down. And again we can go through the cards and look for the first face down card. There it is, so we can place it on the table just like that. And now the spectator can do that one more time. So cut the cards, put them face up, and search for the first face down card. And yeah, there it is, put it on the table just like this. And yeah, we got 3 cards, so this could be the 3 aces, but where is the 4th ace? I'll show you. Look, when I just wave and snap, all the cards are face down. Look, every single card except for the ace of diamonds. That's our first ace. And look, with just a magic touch on each card, every card becomes an ace. An absolute miracle. Yo guys, welcome back to the channel, and now you made it into the tutorial. If you liked the trick that you just saw, please hit the like button and subscribe so you can look to more great tricks with tutorials. So let me show you how this is done. So first you need to take all the 4 aces out of the deck, and first take 2 aces. I like first to do the 2 black aces. Then you take 2 random cards from the deck. It really doesn't matter what these cards are, and just place them on top of those aces. And now take the other 2 aces, 2 red aces in this case, and place them face down, so you get a pile of 6 cards with 2 aces, 2 random cards, and the 2 red aces, just like this. And you can place it on top. Now we can begin with the trick. So first you can do a false shuffle, a false cut. It doesn't really matter. You don't even need to shuffle the cards if you don't know a random shuffle. But if you want to learn some false shuffles, you better check out this video, because that's a cool video that explains 3 cool shuffles or false shuffles that are really helpful for card magic. So once you have the preparation and you have done all the false shuffling, you can let the spectator cut off like half of the deck and place it face up. So now the first face down card is the black ace, the ace of clubs. So you just spread through the cards like this, and just when you're at the first face down card, don't spread too much further, because then they will see the aces that are face up, but just spread like this, maybe only 3 or maybe just 2 cards, and you can just place it on the table like this. Now you place the rest of the deck on the table like this, face down, and just the rest on top. So now your setup, your small setup, stays on top. And now the spectator can cut again like half of the deck and put it face up. And now you have to spread a bit more carefully, because now there are only 2 cards that are face down. So when you spread even more, it's just, yeah, they will see the 3 cards that are face down, or sorry, face up, and you just don't want that. So you spread really carefully. At the beginning you can spread pretty fast, but then you have to spread more careful. And then you got the second card on the table, but the cards face down, just of the deck, can go on the other pile. So now the spectator can cut again for the last time half of the deck, put it face up, and spread through the cards. Or actually, you have to do that as the magician. And now the first face down card can be placed on the table. And now you place this deck not on the table and the rest on top, but now the setup deck, where the cards from the setup are, you place it on the bottom and the rest goes on top. Now you say like, okay, this could be the 3 aces, right? But where is the 4th ace then? Yeah, when I just wave and snap, it makes it more, like, it looks more cool when you do it. So you just spread through the cards and say, look, every card is face down, except for 1 card, and 1 card only. And that is the Ace of Hearts. And that's our first ace. So now you can touch the cards with the ace. That also doesn't really matter. You can just wave and snap over every card. You don't even need to do that, but just you can just show the cards that they are all the aces. So yeah, that's the trick and the tutorial. And if you liked the trick and the tutorial, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more card tricks and tutorials, I think this video is a good one to start with. So, see you later. Ciao.